Hi, I'm Mikel Aramillo and I'm going to talk about happiness. I think that happiness is the most important value in your life because it's the first value that you learn. You can have happiness on all forms. You with playing with your friends, with playing the computer, with your family, with your dog or with your pet, etc., etc., etc. Um, um, I think happiness is so important uh, because if you are in a bad situation, you want to be happy, and you can have this and you can get this happiness with a hug, with any more more situations. And happiness is so important for your life because if you don't be happy, you don't got friends, you pass the day alone, and any people in the world wants and needs to be happy. Thanks for listening to me.